right, this is our Walmart delivery, our Walmart haul. Let's go over the budget. I like to stay below $150 for a family of 3.5. The 0.5 is my college-age daughter who does come and enjoy dinner with us a few nights a week. So the budget for this amount right here, did I go over? I did not. I stayed below. So this all equaled about $115 to $118 to make calculation easier. So $150 minus $115, so $35 under budget. Now I do have another trip to go to Aldi because their wonderful meat sale is happening. Their tenderloin and ribeye will be on sale tomorrow, so I do want to pick those up. So we may end up busting the budget, but that's okay for the holidays. But that's where we are this week. $115 for our budget of $150. Let's get into everything I purchased, and then we'll go into our whiteboard sharing what's on the menu for this week. All right, let's start here. We have our green onions, fresh green onions. That's going to be for an appetizer. More yellow onions just to have around, and we just really like those in all sorts of things. 18 eggs stocking up, as well as our half and half for our coffee. And this time I got 3 pears for an appetizer. I love pears with bacon, prosciutto. Goes really, really well with those. So some holiday appetizers. Got 3 more avocados, 2 apples. Was thinking about maybe with some oats, overnight oats with apples maybe will get me to eat more oats. We'll see. Did get a fresh pomegranate. That's going to be for appetizers. Fresh whole mushrooms, once again, another appetizer, as well as this baby arugula, which I'm gonna make some flatbreads and put that on there. I always get our broccoli, 2 more crowns of that. We have cheese, of course. This was a substitution. I didn't intend to get a pound of Swiss cheese, but it's better than none, so went ahead and took their substitution. And then some more cheese blocks for sharp cheddar cheese and Colby Jack. And then I have some shredded mozzarella. I was thinking of maybe some keto breads if we wanted to make those or just have it for anything. Grass-fed ground beef. We always get a pound of ground beef. Let's go back up here. We always get with that ground beef, we always get the tricolor coleslaw. That's for my husband's hash with the ground beef. And then a head of lettuce for salads. And then my whipped cream cheese. This is for my breakfast, for my little toasts in the morning. And then my husband enjoys Jimmy Dean, the regular sausage, to make some breakfast hash with. And then 2 blocks of Philadelphia cream cheese, because of course appetizers, got to stock up on that Philadelphia cream cheese. All right, and then a package of bacon. We did get I believe this is the uncured bacon. Yes, 1 more pound of that. And then frozen items over here. One of the staples we always get every week is the cauliflower florets. Got 2 bags of the frozen for his cauliflower hash. And then this was a substitution. If you watch my videos, you know I have a favorite frozen raw shrimp. It's peeled and deveined and tailed off like this one is here. But this is the jumbo size, and I usually just get the large. The large is a bigger bag, so you get more shrimp. So this is a few less shrimp, but I guess we saved a couple bucks there because it's a smaller package. All right, and then we did get some of this jalapeno artichoke dip, which I'm thinking of pairing and stuffing into those mushrooms. Oh yeah, I thought that would be a great 2-ingredient appetizer. And then some honey ham, sliced honey ham for my breakfast with that cream cheese. And we did pick up some frozen fruit. I'm trying to eat more fruit and vegetables. And this is an antioxidant fruit blend. It has strawberries and blueberries and raspberries. And I think it also has, pitted dark sweet cherries and pomegranate arils. Doesn't this sound great? I mean, if you're going to eat fruit, get it all. Antioxidant fruit blend. So that's what I got. Speaking of pomegranates, I have never purchased this before. So this is just is that arils? Is that how you say that? Those are the little pomegranate, little bursting bites. And I'm going to make a cheese ball and cover them in this for an appetizer. So that's why I got those. And also the fresh one. And then just another thing we usually get and have on hand, we like our popcorn. So a bag of white popcorn with the ranch seasoning. We need more of that. And this I've never had before is the Zaxby's sauce. So I got that for some of the chicken tenders and some of the chicken nuggets I'll be making. So this is everything from Walmart. And now I'll share with you the menu for the week. Before I share that menu, I want to share what I got from Aldi. Back from Aldi, and I got the item I was going for, the beef tenderloin, but I also got a couple items I was not going for, and that's going to happen when you go to Aldi. There are just things you're going to see, and there's always this urgency to get it now, get it while you can, because when you come back, the items are likely not to be there anymore. So I grab when I can, but we're going to get into those in a minute. But the main thing was this beef tenderloin, and this is $10.99 a pound, so 6 1/3 pounds, so $70 piece of beef. And they even had bigger ones that were up to $90. They also had some other meat items there that I didn't focus on, some lamb and some other things. So this is your PSA for the high quality meat and the holiday meats to go now and grab them while you can. All right, I did also pick up cold smoked Atlantic salmon. I like this big package of it. We love salmon. I was going to see if I could freeze this. If not, we will consume this no problem because we absolutely love salmon, smoked salmon. All right, I also got this bag of stuffed gnocchi. My son loves this gnocchi. Actually, this one's a different version for us. We've never had this before, but he loves gnocchi. This one is with a sausage cream sauce, cheese stuffed potato gnocchi, and a delicious sausage cream sauce. And it's a significant size bag. The other stuffed gnocchi we've had in the past is probably half this size. So this is a whole meal. It's about $7.49. This smoked salmon was $12.99. Prosciutto, I just got just a package of the prosciutto. I wanted to make an appetizer. And then this is my indulgent item. I did get the chocolate chip brioche bread. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this. Warmed up with some coffee is the best thing. It's the best treat, especially during the holidays. I told myself it was okay. All right, holidays, also lobster roll bites. I've not had these. Lobster and cheese sauce and a puff pastry roll. Just an easy, quick appetizer. I wanted to see if it was really good. Maybe it's worth putting on our New Year's Eve spread. So I was going to check those out. If it's fabulous, I'll go ahead and purchase more to save and put in the freezer till party time. And then speaking of party time, I did get their Cheers napkins. This is a pack of, how many are in here? Let's see, 40. And then 2 sets of plates. There's 20 in each. And these are about $1.89 each. Happy New Year plates, going to be great for our New Year's Eve party. Did pick up a 3-pack of whole garlic and then some other items. Let's start with just this one here is a scratch art kit. I do have a toy drive at work and I wanted to get just something I can throw in the donation bin for the kids. I thought this was generic enough, boy, girl. I used to love these scratch art kits. And so I just got the Disney version and that'll be great for the toy drive. And then pajamas. I'm a sucker for pajamas at Aldi because last year I bought the most comfortable pair and had pockets. I wear it all the time, so I'm on the hunt for another. This one, if you saw my haul recently that had another pair of pajamas, I actually returned those because they did not have pockets. So when I saw this nice soft set, this 2-piece set, and the pants have pockets, I was all about it. Purchased that. I can't wait. I hope it fits. I'm kind of short, so hopefully those will fit. Okay, and then a party dress with the New Year's Eve theme of glitz and glam, a lady's metallic pleated dress for $15. I couldn't pass it up. This has like a gold and silver shimmery. Maybe there's other parties I need to go to. $15 for the dress, $15 for pajamas. I just consider that a bargain, and so snagged those. So hopefully they work. I'm not returning things, but that is our Aldi haul. And just to give you an idea, this is about $140. And also, this is holiday items. So I'm going to include all this in our holiday budget and not in our weekly grocery budget. But speaking of weekly groceries, let's talk about what we are planning to eat this week. All right, here are the meals we have planned for this week. We have some sausages, some turkey sausages left, and I'm going to make that with the kale, a nice sheet pan meal with onions and peppers. We have some leftover chicken, so I'm going to make some chicken salads. Pork roast and Brussels sprouts is another night, and then meatballs and tortellini in the crock pot. I've made something very similar before with the tomato sauce and a can of diced tomatoes. Oh, so amazing and easy. And another night we'll have Reubens, either sandwiches or keto bites to keep them keto friendly, carb, low carb. And then a soup group is Monday. So let's go over here and talk about the events and what we have planned. So game day is also Sunday afternoon game. So I was thinking I would just make a bunch of appetizers for us. And in the holiday spirit, some pear and blue cheese flatbreads, some stuffed mushrooms, the famous jalapeno cranberry dip, that viral dip. I've been dying to try it, so I might as well do that. And then pickle Reuben poppers. Now, the reason why I was thinking pickle Reuben was if we don't make sandwiches out of them, another option, because we have so many pickles still left, is to maybe stuff them with cream cheese and some sauerkraut and then wrap them in pastrami. I don't know, I was kind of getting creative with that one, but anyway, that's what pickle Reuben poppers are. And then soup group is on Monday. We do meet, 4 of us, and I always say soup group, but it's actually appetizer season, so that's what we're making. I'm thinking of a cheese ball, cashew chicken dip, and salmon rolls. So we'll see. That could change. You never know. Use up Brussels sprouts and pumpkin puree still left in the fridge. That is the plan. Those are our meals planned for the week, and looking forward to another great week. You can check out this video here to see how I made the ribeye roast from Aldi in my special holiday dinner video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.